For those looking for interesting blanks for hand carving, break time equals 0.5s/. We offer you a beautifully crafted Linden wood box that is specifically adapted for wood carving. The set consists of the box itself and, accordingly, a stand for it. You can decorate just the box itself separately, if that's what you prefer, or together with the stand. The size of the box is 24 by 24 and 9 centimeters in height. Let's talk about the stand right away. It is 26 by 26 by 2.5 centimeters. Width is 3.5 centimeters. A very important factor that sets these blanks apart from others available on the market, and why this particular blank is perfect for wood carving, is because the lid, as you can see, of this box is not small, and it is made from selected slats. The slats are 4 centimeters wide. This ensures you can use the product for a very long time, the lid won't warp, and one of the main advantages is that the thickness of these slats is 1.5 centimeters. This allows you to work very deeply with this blank specifically for carving. You can decorate it in either a geometric or an artistic style. In addition, the sides themselves are thickened. The box sides are 1.5 centimeters thick. Accordingly, you can also decorate them in any style you like. The inside of the box is lined with velvet and has a stopper. And it already has the hardware, lock, and hinges installed. Just a reminder, when decorating with carving, we first remove all the hardware, decorate the item, and then reinstall it. As an example, I'll show you what a finished piece might look like. An identical blank was decorated in this artistic style. Coated with stain and additionally finished with varnish on the outside. Or the same design done in a darker style. Something like this. It looks really nice. The dark color really highlights the texture beautifully. As you can see, there's also relief on this kind of artistic finish. Minimalistic. And inside, this box is used to store chess pieces. Just a reminder, you can decorate these box blanks however you like. It can be either artistic or geometric carving. It's all up to your taste. You can order this blank and other blanks specifically for wood carving from Linden by following the links we've pinned in our comment below this video. Feel free to reach out.